I had to come outside, so I decided I'd come out and make a video. I was interrupted watching Nate and Marion, aka Romancing the States, until he wanted outside. He kept pawing at me, rubbing on me, loving on me, wanting out. So I'm making a video out here. I hope y'all enjoyed my walk over to Easy Mart and back. I should have done it earlier in the morning. I got hot walking over there. I don't think I'll walk in over there anymore. Not unless my mom comes back. I have this so I can see if there's any birds in the trees. I know everybody's getting tired of these. I just watch as Junior walks. Oh, there's Junior. My sweet little baby dog. My sister-in-law has a cat that is 18. I wish Junior could live to be 18. I know he ain't gonna live. Hope he makes it to his 17th birthday. I love my sweet little baby dog. And is that one empty already? I hope not. The bottom one looks empty from here. Don't tell me the squirrels got into them bird seed. Now Junior wants back in. Stay out here for a little while. I'm making a video. Yeah. You ain't in a hurry to get back in there. Go explore some more. I'm making a video. Yeah, go explore some more in the yard. Go exploring. Junior. He ain't listening to me. He wants back in. It ain't hot sitting in the shade. It's cool. There's a bird. If I can. There's a bird. Finally. Oh, what a pretty bird. At least y'all don't have to hear me. I mean, see me. Oh. Now he's turning his back around, turning his back on me. Yeah, I ain't gonna stop this. He wants in, he's gonna have to wait. I wish my darn phone would quit going in and out of focus. Now I'm fixing to get a neck ache. My neck's about to break looking up. What if you can't get one at the bird feeder? Get one on the power line. And it flew off. Well, at least that was a surprise to see. Now I just wish I'd see another bird. Junior's gonna wait till this gets to 5 minutes, then we could go in. Any birds out there on that stuff? No, I don't see none. Now I am kind of getting hot now. I'm just looking around. See another one or two birds, another bird or two. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.